Alright, got a delivery out here at the Polo Grounds in Coachella, where they have Coachella Fest, stagecoach, polo matches, art shows, you name it. And I got one of my, by far, least favorite deliveries. If you don't get these prepared right, it could be a nightmare. We've had these fall off if I can't tell you how many trucks. They gotta be palletized, which is called the sandwich pallet, top and bottom. And you need a band on each side. So 4 bands, 2 on each side, 2 pallets for each one of these. And then you're gonna wanna double strap them for transport. Water just moves. Pallets of water. There's just too much wiggle in them. So you also have to drive very careful. Even with the Moffett, you gotta take it easy. What's that? Right here yeah, outside only. It's diesel forklift, not allowed inside.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, just drop them right here, man.
Okay, you guys got it. You guys got forklifts, don't you? Oh yeah, there's one right there. They got what they need. They got their own forklift sitting right there, propane. That'd have been a kind of a tight fit. I'm just very happy I got these here all safely. So my big deal with these and why I don't like them is because it's not like anything else that you pick up on your truck. If this falls off your truck and these cases fall on the ground, well, now you got loose bottles of water everywhere. And then, you know, I carry wrap and bands and stuff with me, but you can't wrap back together bottles of water. I can't throw them in my cab. You know, that's why these really should be broken down like we normally do and brought in the box truck, just for transportation. They're delivered to the store like that. They should be delivered from the store like that, just for transportation safety, really. It's like the only item that if it falls off, I cannot get it back on my truck. You know, everything else I can stack and, okay. Everything else is stackable and repalletizable except for the bottled water. And then in the summertime out here, the heat is so bad, the plastic will start to shrink on you. It'll be 120 and those bottles start losing shape and kind of changing the whole makeup of the pallet. So there's a few reasons why I'm just not a fan of these. This is a big customer, so they make a big deal out of it. You know, it's Golden Voice. They do the concerts here. They own the property now, and you know, I don't blame Home Depot. That's a big customer. I take care of them too. Not reschedule their deliveries as much as possible. You don't want to lose a contract like that or a customer like that. These guys do a lot of work out here and bring a lot of money into the community. This whole area has been built up so much. I can't tell you how many big, fancy, expensive homes are being built out here now. Ever since this whole Coachella Fest thing has kicked off, it's really sparked a whole new community out here. Just really nice communities. You know, you think you go farther out in the desert and you're gonna go cheaper, but some of these places are, I know one for sure out here, it's guard gated, and I have to follow security in their truck to get in and out of there. They won't even let me in by myself. So to me, that happens in Vegas, is where the celebrities and the rich and famous live. That's the only other place I've ever had that happen. So there is definitely some people bringing some money with them out here, and not too far from here. I don't know if you've seen some of my other videos, but they got that racetrack out here now. Indy's going to be testing the cars out here, super high end. It's like a $5 million membership fee or something crazy. And then you got the private airport out here, so they got everything set up, a perfect setup for very high-end clientele out here. And I don't see it going away anytime soon. This is a nice booming area, and man, for the wintertime, you can't beat this weather. I mean, it's day. I think it's about 70 right now, and it's February. The beginning of February. I got my short and my t-shirt on. I still got a little bit of a sweat going here. So you can't beat this for the winter. But there we go. It's all pictures. I got to come back and snap a couple photos. Everything's digital now, and it's recorded. It's recorded in Home Depot's computer system by time and date.
Right.
They know exactly what I brought because I'm a contractor.
Yeah.
I got to prove I didn't take it home, and I got to prove you got it. So I'll be right back.
This freaking happened.
Yeah.
It'll take a whole fucking pallet.
Yeah. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this up, and then I'll get those photos, and you're covered. All right. All right, guys, that's a wrap on that one. Not my favorite delivery, but you know, I got it here safe, and that's all that matters. The store did a great job of preparing it for me. Wrapped it up really nice. That was a Rancho Mirage store. Thanks, guys. They took really good care, made sure this got here safe and sound, and I did too. So there you go. Like if you want, and give me a comment, and then catch you on the next one, and give me a subscribe if you're new and want to see more deliveries like this. I'll check y'all later.